Jeffrey Blackwell, in town for the first time as Cincinnati's next police chief, is rattled after tough questions from reporters.
I have no information. I've never been notified of any federal investigation on misuse of property.
Well, Blackwell is looking ahead. He had to answer hard questions about his past with the Columbus Division of Police. I-Team reporter Jason Law, who was the first to get a sit-down interview with the incoming chief, has the latest. Jason?
That's right. When I talked to Jeff Blackwell on the phone, he told me he was aware of an investigation going back as far as possibly 2 years ago, starting with allegations that men who worked under him in the Columbus Division of Police Department may have been accused of misusing police equipment. He said, though, at the time when he talked to me, that he was not part of that investigation. Today in the press conference, however, he had to answer some pretty tough questions about whether he is the focus of an investigation for potential misconduct. Cincinnati's new police chief, Jeff Blackwell, told 9 on Your Side he was aware of an investigation involving several Columbus police employees who report to him, including one who Blackwell said may have sold police equipment for scrap metal. Tuesday, Blackwell was asked if he knew a grand jury was investigating the matter and if he, as deputy chief, was the focus of their inquiry.
I have no information. I've never been notified of any federal investigation on misuse of property. I don't believe I'll be under a spotlight. Excuse me. I believe I supervised a couple of those people in the course of my duties of supervising approximately 300 or 400 people. So, no, I'm not concerned about that.
The man who hired Blackwell, city manager Milton Dehoney, was asked if he knew of any ongoing investigation involving the new police chief.
Only in general terms. I'm not privy to exactly what the grand jury may be looking at. I'm not aware of specific individuals under Deputy Chief Blackwell's supervision may be involved in that. The way that I look at that is if there is something tangible as it relates to Chief Blackwell directly, that's one thing. But if there are issues or questions regarding people under their supervision, that's entirely different.
Now, today I did call the U.S. Attorney's Office in Columbus as well as the Columbus Police Department for comment. We did not get calls back. When I spoke with Blackwell, he said that as far as he knows, those were his words, as far as he knew, his name did not come up in any investigation with these allegations. I asked him if any of this came up during the interview process here in Cincinnati, and he said it did not. We're live tonight. Jason Law, 9 on Your Side.
Jason, thank you.